Do you have a loose denture you want to fit more securely? Lucky for you, there are solutions for dentures that don't slip or slide. Stick around and find out what it is. I'm Dr. Paul Anderson from Peachtree Oral and Facial Surgery, right here in Peachtree City, Georgia. Today, we're diving into a revolutionary dental solution that can change your life: snap-in implant dentures. If you've been struggling with missing teeth or uncomfortable dentures, that might just be the answer you've been looking for. What are snap-in overdentures? These innovative dentures attach securely to dental implants placed in your jawbone, unlike traditional dentures that simply rest on the soft tissue. With snap-in overdentures, you can say goodbye to the hassle of denture glue and hello to a more stable, comfortable fit. Imagine enjoying your favorite meals and chatting with friends without worrying about your dentures shifting. Now let's walk through the process of how they work. Step 1, consultation and planning. We start with a comprehensive consultation where we assess your oral health and discuss your personal goals. With the help of advanced 3D scans, we'll create a tailored treatment plan just for you. Step 2, implant placement. Next up, we'll surgically place dental implants into your jawbone. Depending on your needs, this could involve 2 to 4 implants, setting the stage for a secure fit. Step 3, healing period. After the implants are placed, there's a healing phase where they integrate with your jawbone. This process is known as osseointegration. Typically takes a few months, but it's crucial for long-lasting results. Step 4, overdenture fitting. Once you've healed, your restorative dentist will craft your custom snap-in overdenture, complete with special attachments that lock into implants for a snug, secure fit. Step 5, adjustments and follow-up. After fitting, your dentist will make any necessary adjustments to ensure you're comfortable and functional. Regular follow-ups will help us keep track of your progress and maintain your oral health. Now let's talk about benefits. Why choose snap-in overdentures? Number 1, unmatched stability. Forget about slippage. Snap-in overdentures stay put, making eating and speaking a breeze. Number 2, ultimate comfort. With a secure fit, you'll experience less irritation on your gums, leading to a more enjoyable daily life. Number 3, natural functionality. Enjoy a wider variety of foods. Snap-in overdentures provide the biting and chewing strength that traditional dentures cannot match. Number 4, jawbone preservation. The implants stimulate your jawbone, helping maintain its structure and preventing bone loss over time. Number 5, simple maintenance. While you'll still need to clean your overdentures, they're generally easier to care for than traditional options. No messy adhesives. So what's a great candidate for snap-in overdentures? Ideal candidates typically include those who have lost most or all of their teeth, currently wear full dentures, have enough bone density for the implants, and can handle minor surgery. If you've experienced bone loss, don't worry. There are solutions like bone grafting to prepare your jaw. In summary, snap-in overdentures are a secure and comfortable and highly functional solution for anyone looking to replace missing teeth. They can significantly enhance your smile and your quality of life. If you're curious about snap-in overdentures or want to explore your options, don't hesitate to schedule a consultation with us at Peachtree Oral and Facial Surgery. We're ready to guide you every step of the way.